Hi, everybody. It's Christmas. We got Frosty. Can you see it? Let me show you. Here's my Frosty. He says chill out. Anyway, I have not decorated for the holidays. And it's December 1st. I normally have my tree. I have everything up by now. This year's a lot different. Yeah. And I'm having a hard time with it. But anyway, I'm fixing to decorate my kitchen, clean it up and everything, and then we'll go from there. So y'all hang on.
Christmas to me. That's Christmas to me. That's Christmas to me. That's Christmas to me. Picking out the leaves on the crooked Christmas trees. That's Christmas to me. That's Christmas to me. That's Christmas to me. For you. Just to spend some good old time with my family. Real
I hope y'all enjoyed watching it, and we'll talk to you next time. Bye.